Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you're there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. And every kiss and every touch, you'll feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 152, NASDAQ off 125, S&P's off 30, gold contract down $9.60, trading at $15.05 an ounce. Silver down 30 cents, $17.16 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 48 cents, $55.93 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note down up 3 ticks, 130.12. 30-year up 1 tick, 162.11. And King Dollar down 36 ticks, trading 99.097. The euro is at 109. The yen is at 107.83, and the pound is at 122 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We get over to the SPY, and we take a look at the SPY. What you're going to see out here, you couldn't hold price. Actually, the SPY actually got into a higher high than yesterday this morning and sold right off all day long. $97.94 was the high out here today. That was bottom line right at the open. Selling just continues. We're at 293.86 right now. And that's on your daily. And we take this and we're going to put this on the weekly. You're going to see on the weekly, we're not into the lower range yet. On the weekly, it's going to be, we are into the lower range, 294.15 brings you in the lower range. So now the SPY's game to get down to 281. And right now you're at 293. NDX 100 has been the weak link. You had the chip stocks going south this morning, which took the composite south. Bottom line is that what you also have here is that you do have an expansion of volume inside the NDX. Right now, the 3Qs are down $3.30. You're trading at 186, and this baby is on its way down to the August 5th low, which is 179. If we go back, actually, you don't have to go back. So the high, thus far, the high, July 26th. 195. That was the number up there. Gold contract. They were whacking gold all day long. Bottom line, it said, hey, guess what? I'm not staying down. Gold got there with a price point of $14.93. You've done 425,000 contracts. You're at $15.05 right now. Bottom line, you made it to the swing. The swing area down here that it rejected is $14.92. Well, look at that. You didn't. That's bullish, man. That's pretty cool. So check this out, folks. It doesn't look like gold was down. If you just look at gold right now, $9.40 out of a $1,500 number is not a big deal. That being said, guess what? This morning it was a one-way move all the way down. That being said, you only got to $14.93. Your swing point is $14.92, so you get a rejection of lower price. You're going to have lighter volume. You're going into 652,000 contracts. That's on your daily. We put this on the weekly basis, and this is pretty cool. On the weekly basis, you can actually see this is pushing highs with volume. Because we had made it all the way up to 1543. You've done 2 million contracts. You're going into the swing point with 2.1 million. Nice setup. GDX. Let's go take a look at the GDX and take a look at some of the equities out here. GDX right now is down 47 cents. You've done 43 million shares, so that's a big contraction of volume. That's on the daily. We put this on the weekly, and you got to a high of 29. Yeah, you're not pushing highs with volume. You got there on price, but we didn't get there on volume. Notes and bonds. What do we got with notes and bonds? Bottom line, the 10-year note This little baby traded to 129.30 today. Said, see ya, I don't want to be ya. And we are at 130.12 right now. We take a look at the 30-year note, a 30-year bond rather. Right now, that got down to a price point of 161.15. That's almost up a full point off of that area. They both continue to want higher price, lower yield. Pretty amazing how these things are shaking out, no doubt about it. King Dollar. What do we got with King Dollar? King Dollar just missed its high. And we'll see whether, you're going to get any selling on the way down next week. We got to a price point today of 99.308. The September 3rd high is 99.370. So pretty wild. Some of the higher volume equities out here today inside this market, and we'll see whether we're going to get any volume actually in this market. You have Micron Tech, big number here. That's down $5.50. You get Advanced Micro off $1. You get Snap off $126. You got Roku off $3.35. Microsoft's down $2.57. Facebook is off $4. So you get some decent numbers inside there. We go take a look at inside the NDX 100, the strength versus the weakness inside your NDX 100, and you're going to see the chip stocks leading and continue to lead down, folks. You get Micron Tech down 11.5%. JD.com is down 6.5%. You got Lam Research off 6%, and then you get NetEase down 6%. Now, both, if we take a look at NetEase, which is an ADR coming out of China, as well as JD.com. You're going to see JD.com, also an ADR coming out of China. What's going on there is that in the middle of the day, you had a Bloomberg article saying that the Trump administration are discussing ways to limit U.S. investors' portfolio flows into China. And then on top of that, they're basically looking for a way that Chinese listed companies may get unlisted in the United States of America. Pretty wild, actually, because just to give you some ideas of the market capitalizations of Chinese companies that listed in the United States, folks, we want to hear some numbers. These are big numbers. You get Alibaba. That's a $459 billion company. JD's a $43 billion company. Baidu's a $35 billion company. NetEase is a $34 billion company. Ctrip is a $17 billion company. You get the gist of it? Guess what? It's a big number. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.